Hi guys, so today we will be playing some games on Roblox. By the way, my second vid using CapCut. So, yeah, there's just my friends joined. So, be right back. Guys, I cannot find her. I'm looking like everywhere. But I'm not using the Apple Pencil. Using it because there's just deal with it. Here, where are you, Gubby? 11. Whatever that numbers are. Gubby, where are you? Gubby. Hello, bye. You're not trying to laugh very hard. Anyways, I'm just try to be a member. Crown over to my avatar. Yeah, you can see that's my name. Then my dad was correctly, I spoke off. What I ask? Y'all look around. Like, bruh. That's a good voice. Anyways, oh gosh. Okay, wait. No, my bed. I don't know why I'm so satisfied with the bed. Like, I always pick them. Like, they're the easiest thing to find in my inventory. Wee. Chippy, chippy, chappa, chappa, dooey, doo. Okay, no. What's chassis? I don't know if this is a rush. I don't know if this is a bar or a restaurant. Pick a have. Let's do whatever that was. Poop. Wait, what? That's what the chat says. My face. My face is bleeding. You guys would be so surprised when you see the room. Okay, you go see the room in 3, 2, 1. Not the alarm going off. Yep, choosing beds. By the way, I have to go, so bye guys.